Welcome friends to my channel. Today I will be discussing a biology chapter, nutrition in plants. And this following contains I will be discussing autotrophic mode of nutrition, heterotrophic mode of nutrition, photosynthesis, components of photosynthesis, saprotrophic nutrition, parasitic nutrition, symbiosis and replacement of nutrition in the soil. And I will be explaining it in a part wise. So in the first part I will be describing about autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition in details. So let's start. So in the we have to first know what is nutrition, because the chapter name is only nutrition in plants. So nutrition is a process of taking food by an organism and its digestion, absorption and utilization by the body. So here what you have understand, it means that the process when we take the food or any organism, when they take food, the digestion absorption takes place, and at last the energy is utilized by the cells in our body. So this is called nutrition. And there are two modes of nutrition, which are autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. So let's start with the autotrophic mode of nutrition. So, the mode of nutrition in which an organism makes its own food from simple substance like carbon dioxide, water and minerals present in the surroundings is called autotrophic nutrition. An organism having autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs, and all the green plants and some bacteria prepare their own food by autotrophic mode of nutrition, and they are also called autotrophs. So in the first para, it is telling what is autotrophic mode of nutrition, and then who are autotrophs. So the mode of nutrition means when the food is taken or made by its own without any help of another organism, like plants prepare its own food. So it's called autotrophic mode of nutrition, means the mode of nutrition in which organisms make its food by own, like plants and all green trees, plants, etc. And who are called autotrophs? The organism having autotrophic mode of nutrition are called autotrophs, means those organisms which can make their own food are called autotrophs. Like example, trees, grass, flower, etc. And so let's know about heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make its own food from the simple substance but obtain ready-made food made by the green plants directly or indirectly is called heterotrophic nutrition. An organism having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs, and all the animals and the non-green plants have heterotrophic mode of nutrition and are called heterotrophs. So here also in the first stanza, it is telling that the mode of nutrition in which organisms cannot make its own food, means the organism means the mode of nutrition where the organisms cannot make its own food, but they can obtain its food by whom? By the autotrophs, means the green plants directly or indirectly, but they obtain. They do not make itself. And here is one difference also in autotrophic and heterotrophic, that in autotrophic mode of nutrition, plants organisms can make its own food, but in heterotrophic mode of nutrition, plants cannot make its own food. And the organism having heterotrophic mode of nutrition are called heterotrophs, like humans, animals, non-green plants are called heterotrophs. So I am concluding this class, and I will be sharing my part 2 soon.